Delicious espresso. Hey, in this video, I have the Tuni E2 bottomless portafilter. I do have an E2 machine that I am gonna try on this, so don't worry, we're gonna do that in just a moment. But I just wanna unpackage this and show you what you're gonna get. All right, so as I open this up, you're gonna see you're gonna have this nice portafilter. So if you already have a Tuni E2, you're gonna have a portafilter. It's gonna look something like this, and don't mind this, I've been using it earlier today. So this is the comparison. We have the bottomless right here, which is gonna actually help you see the extraction process a lot better. To know whether you are extracting it good or bad, you can make an adjustment based off of how you see it. I haven't used one of these yet, but I've been looking forward to it. Also, if you look side by side, this is about double the size for the old one here, and the bottomless portafilter is going to be a lot slimmer. If you are someone that puts a scale underneath whenever you pour your shot, definitely give you a little bit more room to do so. I have a nick in mind because I just dropped something on it. Color match is perfect. Everything else looks identical except for one thing here. Whenever I got this, the picture says it's going to be an 18 to a 19 gram basket, and this ended up being a 17 to 18. The one I have currently is an 18 to 19, so that's what I thought I was going to get in this. If that was a huge problem, I could just change this one over to this, but the picture on Amazon shows this is an 18 to 19, so I would just like to see a little bit of consistency there. But other than that, it's not going to ruin my day, and I'm still going to get an 18 gram shot. So let's go ahead and put some coffee grounds in this bottomless portafilter. Okay, so right here I have my Tuni grinder. I also have the Tuni scale. I got Tuni pretty much everything, so I'm going to throw some coffee grounds in here. And I am grinding this on the espresso adjustment on this G2, and it's gonna be right around the 9 mark is where I like it and see the most consistency with me. So I'm at 17.9, so that's good enough. Close enough to 18, throw that in. All right, so that is definitely a little bit messier if you don't get the right shot. Now, I didn't show you during the video, but I was in the red. It definitely splashed a little bit, but you were able to see exactly what was going on. So I definitely can make some adjustments to make that look a lot better. And I definitely have a really nice puck in here, so that poured really good, and ultimately I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. This was really fun, and it's another option for me to pour coffee and just be a little bit more creative and express myself. But I definitely rate this a 10 out of 10. If you have the Tuni E2 machine, this is definitely something that you want to add on here because it is the 58 mil and it fits here perfectly and looks absolutely amazing and identical to the other one. Just another way to have a little bit of fun. This thing's awesome. Make sure you add it to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.